Hi all, good morning. Please type your questions in chat box. Okay, I'm opening my video. Okay. Yes. Good morning. You have any questions regarding this decision or any questions? Post in chat box. I'll answer. We'll start exactly at 7:02. We have 10 minutes. Yeah, we have 10 minutes. So there is no questions. So for you people who joined early, right? I have to give something extra. Okay. So you trusted me and join. Even if you don't have any questions, you are joining. Okay. I'll tell you something about. See, am I audible, right? Type yes. Yeah. Now I'm a product designer by passion. Okay. I design digital products for people to use. Okay, whatever that comes in here, I design digital products. You know where I take my inspiration. I take my inspiration from other great products. Um, Great products means not the same website digital. Okay, I take inspiration from other physical products. Okay, and I show you one product that I bought 2 days back. Do you know what is this? This is a mosquito bat, right? You know what's special in this? I'll tell you the price. You know what's special in this? If you just keep it here and switch it on, it automatically kills mosquitoes entire night. And there is a ultraviolet lights here, all 6 places. And you know how beautifully this is designed? You have mosquito bats, correct? And to switch on, see, this is a button. This is a button. And if I just press here, and bat is on. That's how user-friendly they made it. That's not all. Do you know what's special in this? It charges, it has a solar charger. If you just put it in the sun, it charges. And we can replace the battery. The rechargeable battery, we can replace it. How much will you pay for this? How much will you pay for this? This is my customer product. Okay. How much will you pay? You know the price, right? How much will you pay for this? 600. Yeah. This bat is only 600 rupees. See how user friendly they made it. I'm not going to send you the link. I'm not going to send you the link. If I send the link, then it means that I'm selling this product. I bought lot of other products. It just goes like only 3 months it will work and then it will not work. But again, there is a solar panel here. I don't know where that is here. I think the panel is this. This is the panel. And I don't know how they are saying that this starts with panel, but again, the design is great. and it is automatic. You just keep it here and put it on charge. And yesterday night I checked, it is working pretty well, and it killed many mosquitoes. You can hear the sound. So this is where see, this is how the great products are made. Okay, there are a lot of other crappy products are there in the market, and see, even if you go to the shop and buy some mosquito bite, it will be 300 400. That not even come close to this. So that's the reason why I tell you this. I tell you at the end of the session today. Okay, keep it on. If you have any questions, please type it in the chat box. And you know why the design is great? The company that makes it, it is coming from China. So the design is the company that makes the USB ring lights. Okay, that is the company is making this design. So it is there in the instruction manual. If you have no questions, just type the websites that you already have. I try to review it. Not the website that is created on this session. The website that you already have. Yeah, let's forget about that. Let's come to the actual lessons. If you have any the website that you already have. So today we are going to do this. We are going to change the content of we are going to change the content of this website. We are going to edit this text. Yeah, we have one website. drcb.in. IMSC. Okay, this is the website. I am a CV. I am a photographer based in Jaipur, Rajasthan. I have to give. No, you should not use the CV. What is CV? If people read CV, they just remember that the curriculum vitae. Okay, that is CV is something related to the job industry. When you use CV, you are talking about photography. They're confused. Okay, I thought you were offering something for career industry, but you are in photography. This is fine. 70 clicks. Here there is, I'll just tell you, see, people cannot see this. There is no clear call to action. Okay, call to action should dominate this page. Okay, the call to action is click to contact. Okay, that should be big, fat, bold button. Okay. So the call to action should not be 2. There should be only 1 in the page. Click to contact is your call to action. That is the goal of this web page. But that is very, very small. And there is 2. People will not know whether they have to do this or this. So will help me. You will get mediocre results with this. And there are other links. They just navigate away. This is good for a website, but this is good, not good for advertising. Okay, you cannot do marketing with this. And 70 clicks. What is 70 Is it people in the photography is it appealing to them? Will it be appealing to them, or is it just a number? If it is just a number, it will not work. Okay, 70 should mean something. 70 screen. It is not related to photography. Is it related to photography? If I ask a photographer what is 70 mm, will he able to know it? Type yes or no. If I ask just a photographer, any photographer, I call him and I ask him what is 70 mm. Will he able to answer? Then that is fine. Then this will work. Because people will just register a domain name because they don't find the name, they just add some number before that and they just register it. So that's not how it works. It should mean something. So this is fine. Pre-wedding shoot. The call to action is let's start something new. Contact 70. See, the contacting is the call to action of this page. Creative photography. Happy to have you here. No, it should come. It should come at the top. The goal of this page is to have people contact you. It should come at the top. Okay, it should not like keeping a button here and asking them to go down on asking them to contact. No, it will not work. If this is the goal of this page, it should always come at the top. They will always come back to the top and contact you. Blogs, just work. Okay, this is a website. This is not landing page, and we cannot do advertising with this. But again, it is good to have a website. Yeah, it's 7:02 will start. Okay, today what we are going to do is we are going to edit the content of this template. Okay, I'll open my. This is the website that we have right now. I think 5 to 6 people got this. Okay, this is the website. We are going to change the content. Okay, you are going to learn how to change the content, change this video, everything you are going to learn today. And we are going to set up the lead management system. Okay, when someone gives their contact number, okay, how you receive the contact number, we are going to set up that. Okay, today is going to take 40 minutes, and today I want to tell the disclaimer of today's session. Today's session only I can teach you because there is no tutorials inside. Because this is something that I created for my services. Only I can teach you best. Okay, there are other people who can teach you also, but they will not teach you because they have to go through the code. Only then they will know what is done. Okay, so there is no tutorials elsewhere. I never uploaded any video to YouTube. So you have to be very attentive, and you have today's recording. Download and keep it locally. Okay, you need to have today's recording. Only then you will be able to know how to edit this. For non-tech people, okay, if you are tech, you know how to edit it. Okay, I'll tell you this disclaimer now. Can we start? My voice is loud and clear. Please type yes. Now I'll tell you, for non-tech people, today's session will be overwhelming. Okay, it's like maybe I am teaching you to code programming. No, it's not like that. Okay, whatever we are editing, we are going to edit the text file. Okay, you can open any text editor like Notepad. That JSON file yesterday, the spec file we downloaded, right? So I'm going to show that to you now. That is just a text file. You can just edit it in any text editor, change it and upload it. The content will just work. Okay. So I believe everyone can understand the basic programming, not programming. It is just code. Okay. What is code? A set of standards we follow in that text. Okay. That is called code. Okay. The basic thing that you can understand, I'm going to teach you that how easy it is to understand that. So today's session will be overwhelming if you are not technical, but again, If you attend this theory class, you will know what exactly is it in that spec file. Okay, then you will be very comfortable on editing that file. Okay, now what is a spec file? Okay, spec is called a specification file. Okay, that is just a text file. Okay, but it ends with an extension called .json. Okay, so .json is you don't need to know the tech thing. It is just a spec file. Understand that is a specification file that makes this website work. Okay, everything that you see in this website, the content, the buttons, the button color, the videos, all the sections, everything is coming from that one spec file. Okay, you will know how to edit that file, change that file today. So if you could able to change that file, you could change everything here. Okay, that is what we are going to learn today. Now, I said that you can edit the spec file in your local computer in Notepad. Okay, but I always request you to use online spec editors. Okay, there are thousands of online free tools that you can go and edit the spec file. You can edit it locally. You know what happens when you edit it using your Notepad or WordPad? You know what happens? That spec file will follow a certain pattern. Okay, and if you change something that you should not change, you will not know, because that is a text file. But if you use online spec editors, instantly you know. If you change something, if you do some mistake, instantly the spec editor that will show you that this mistake that you did, you have to revert it. Okay, it is impossible to do mistake when you are using online spec editor. So always use online spec editor. Okay, this is my request. Now, I want you to always have a backup copy of your spec file. Okay, you will be editing the spec file, changing the content, changing something, and just checking whether the website is working fine or not. But if you have a backup copy, okay, yesterday you did something, okay, you have a backup copy, and today you did something and you did some mistake and website was not working. You know what you will do? Yesterday's copy, if you just upload it, if the yesterday's website will come. Okay, that's how simple it is. So always have a backup copy of your spec file. I'm going to give you a quick intro of spec file, what is there in the spec file, how to understand it, and it will be overwhelming for non-tech people. But again, please kindly pay attention and have today's recording for your future purpose. Okay. Now, quick intro of spec. When you open the spec file, okay, in any text editor, you will find this pattern. Okay, you will find this site ready to index. You will find it will start with a double quote, and then there is a property name. Okay, site ready to index, and it ends with a double quote, and there is a colon, and then a double quotes. Within double quotes, there is a value. Okay, it is yes or no. Now, this is a property name, and this is a property value. Whatever comes in this property name that you cannot change. Okay, whatever comes inside the property value that you can change it. What you will change from no to yes, you will change. But it doesn't mean if you open this file in the Notepad, you can change this also. Right? You can just go and click here, site ready to index. You can just remove the ready. If you just remove it, it will not work. The website will not work. So you have this understanding. This is a property name. The whatever comes in the left side is a property name. You cannot change that. And whatever comes in the right side is the property value that you can change. Okay, you have this understanding. And very, very important rule, no double quotes in the middle of the value. Now there is a value here, no. Okay, it starts with a double quote and ends with a double quote. What if you put a double quote in between? First, if you use online spec editors, it will not allow you to do it. But if you do it in locally, you can do it, but it will break your website. So no double quotes in between the value. Okay. So important rule. Always use. That's why I always suggest you to use online free spec editor tools. You can download some spec editors locally also. But I don't prefer that. Use always free tools available online. I'm using this for last 4-5 years. It is always free. You can just go and use the spec editor, online free tools. And I'm going to tell you what is inside the spec file. Okay. When you open the spec file in the notepad or in the spec editor, you will find this. Okay. The site config. You will find the section called site config. You know what is in the site config? The colors, the website title, whatever it comes in the top. Okay. Whatever Google sees, your website title, your website description, and the button colors, how many sections it has, lot of other configuration items will be there in the site config. And site pop-up. Okay. Whatever you see the pop-up here, right? If you see any pop-up, this is a pop-up. Okay. Enter your WhatsApp number. These things are there in the site pop-up. Now, app details. The Android and iOS app that you will get, right? That details of that app, that pop-up will be there in the app details. And section underscore. This is very important. Okay. What is section? Okay, this is one section. This website has 10 sections. This is one section. This is one section. This is one section. This is one section. Okay. Now, this website has 10 sections. Okay, you will find 10 sections in that. That will start, the property name will start from section underscore. Okay, section underscore dot dot dot. Why I put dot dot dot? Section underscore head, section underscore what, section underscore why, everything that you will see. Okay, 1 minute. Everything that you will see, 10 sections you will see in that spec file. Okay, so that is website sections. And now I tell you the real coding part. And you don't have to know this, but again, it is good for you to know. Okay, the property value. You know, you will have this sentence. Okay, you are going to edit this. But can you see there is a zoom it. Can you see after business there is a new line? Okay, after tools there is a new line. How to bring this new line? When you type content in that property value, you can type it only one line. You cannot add multiple lines. If you want the new line, you have to put this tag. This is called what we call as tag. What is a tag? HTML tag. What is the tag? It starts with this character and ends with this character. Always ends with this character. Okay, this is called tag. HTML tag. This is break. Okay. You put this, just copy this and put this anywhere inside the content and it will come in a new line. Okay, just know this. And this is also a tag. Okay, there is something that is coming in bold. Okay, here sales is in bold. Okay, if you want something to come in bold, this leads, you put leads here and this is a starting tag, strong. This is the ending tag, strong. Okay, it starts with this and ends with this. Okay, if you put some text inside this, it will come in bold. It will put if you put some text inside this tag I, it will come in italics. If you put some text inside this U tag, it come in underline. I used U here. That's why it is coming in underline. So this is just 4 simple tags I told you. There are 100 different tags. You can use any tags that you want. Okay, go and research it, and you can use any tag and then it will just work. But you don't need to know all those things. This just 4 tags I used here, and you can see my website how good it is. I just used these 4 tags. Now that is a standard HTML tag. Now I created something for you people. Okay, you want something to come in yellow. If you want something to come in yellow, green, red, okay, these are all basics. Okay, you cannot go and do coding for that. Just use this tag. This is not a standard HTML tag. It is just I created these tags for you in this template so that you can make use of it. If you put this green, it will come in green. I used yellow here. If I use yellow, it comes in yellow. If I use red, it will come in red. And if I use highlight, can you see I highlighted some text here? If I use highlight, it will come in highlight. Okay. If it is overwhelming for you, I am going to do everything for you live. You can understand. Okay. Now, today's exercise, what we are going to do, you are going to change the site color. We are going to change the site color and we are going to complete the head section, at least this. And we are going to set up the lead management system. Okay, this is today's exercise. Okay, but we have one important thing to do today. Okay. Now, what is your offer? Okay, so all of you are following, please type yes. What is your offer? Okay, here I'll tell you, you have to write your offer today, offer sentence. Every product and every service in this world is solving a problem in this world, correct? For that, there is an offer. Okay, you have to write your offer and there is a formula to write that offer. Okay, there is a formula. For example, I showed you this, right? This is also a product. Okay, and there is an offer sentence for this product also. Okay, I tell you the formula. I will write 2 offer sentences for 2 people who is listening right now. You send your industry, you send your product, you send your service in the chat. I'll write 2 offer sentences for your industry. You follow the same formula and write 1 great offer sentence for your industry. Okay, clear? Type yes. Now I'm going to tell the formula. Okay, so this is my offer. I help, it is coming here. Okay, it is coming here. I help business owners, coaches, and consultants, my target market, to create 1-page website and app. What product I have, to get 3x leads. 3x leads. What will my clients achieve because of my product? What product I have? 5-day live LMF workshop. What is LMF? My unique technology. Okay, I told you this. Without expensive software like ClickFunnels or Swipe Pages. What is the old product that I'm replacing? ClickFunnels or Swipe Pages is the product that I'm replacing. Okay. Now, what is the formula for this? What is the formula for this? Okay. You will find this formula in the LMF access in exercise 3.6. You will find this formula. Okay. I help people I serve to what product service I have to get how I help them with, without what old product I replace. Okay, this is the formula that I followed and I got this sentence, this offer. Okay, this is the offer that I have to offer this world. Okay, now just replace this. I help people I serve. What is the people I serve? The target market. I help business people. I help consultant. I help coaches. Target market. What product I have? I have 1-page website and app. And how I help them with? I help them with my 5-day live LMF workshop. Without what product I replace? I replace Swipe Pages and ClickFunnels. Is it clear? Type clear if it is clear. So I am going to write one for you right now live. Is it clear or not? Or is it overwhelming for you? So that's why I am going to write one offer for this product and for your product or your service. If you type it in chat box, and I am going to apply that. We change that to the website. Okay. Now I am going to, not now. I'll just I repeat again. The goal is to complete today's exercise by 8 p.m. not 8 a.m. If you have questions, you can always send it in WhatsApp group. Please send it only in the WhatsApp group. If you send it to me privately, I will not be able to respond because there is separate people handling that private chat. I see only the group. Okay, please send only in the group record a video or photo and send it to me, and I will be able to instantly respond to it. Okay. Now, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to do the exercise today. Okay. Share screen. Okay, now I'll show you. Now I'll show you this. Yeah. In the LMF secure access, if you refresh the page, you will find day 3. In day 3, exercise 3.1, you have to do. This is only 5 minutes. And exercise 3.5, you have to do only 4 minutes. And 3.6 is very, very important. You have to do this 3.6 and you have to change this offer sentence in the spec file, and you have to upload it and you have to post this screenshot. Okay. Now I'm going to do everything for you live. Okay. It's going to take 20 minutes. Type yes, I can start. Okay. Now type start, I will start. I'll close. Okay. Now everybody could log into their WordPress and you could able to install the theme. Okay. Now I log into my WordPress, LMF workshop.live wp-login.php. I log in. Okay, this is what I have, LMF workshop.live. This is the theme that I have. Okay. Now I'm going to first I am going to download the default spec file. Okay. This is the default spec file. If you click this, you download this, it downloads. Okay. And I open the spec editor tool 1. I have 2 tools, 2 great tools. I use tool 2. Okay. You also please use tool 2. 1, someone now who are using old systems have a problem with tool 1. Okay. If you have a really great system, use tool 1, else use tool 2. Okay. Now I copy this. I copy this. 1 minute. Now I am copying this and I open the spec editor tool 2. And you can see that pattern. Okay. Site ready to index. You can see this is the property name. This is property value. See, this is yes. This is property name and this is property name value. Okay. Can you see? Now I am going to write an offer sentence. Okay. I'm going to change it and upload it to you. Upload it for you. Okay. I'll write an offer sentence here. Type your industry. I'll write one offer sentence by following that formula. Plastic molds is not industry. What is your company name? Plastic molds for which industry you do? Okay, I'll write one offer sentence for yes for automatic sectors. Okay, first I'll just follow this formula and write one for mosquito bat. This mosquito bat helps newborn babies. Okay, newborn babies is the target market. Okay, newborn babies to sleep peacefully at night using the technology. How this mosquito help them help the newborn babies using UV technology without old coils and the liquidator. Okay, can you find the mosquito bats? Okay, mosquito bat. Okay, this is the product, helps newborn babies is the target market. Okay, why I made newborn babies? Because newborn babies is a great target market. People will buy mosquito bat only if we target to newborn babies. Okay, newborn babies. See, they have a problem. Okay, mosquito bat helps people from 0 to 100, but we have to specifically target one target market. Okay, the more specific we go, the better the results will be. Okay, so what is the target market? I told you. Okay, newborn babies, and you can jumble this sentence. Okay, the what product I have, I just added this in first. You just need to put all this in the sentence. You don't have to worry about jumbling this sentence. Okay, you can put this first and this later. Okay, mosquito bat helps newborn babies to sleep peacefully at night using UV technology, whatever the technology that mosquito has, without the old coils and liquid. Okay, now I'll write one for you. Pranad Ayurved. Okay, I help senior citizens. Okay, you are Pranad Ayurved, right? I help senior citizens to what product or service you have. You help them with to live happily or live peacefully or something, live naturally, correct? So Ayurveda is for that. Okay, I help senior citizens to live peacefully, live naturally, live healthy, naturally, using what how you help them with. How you help them with is the unique technology that you have, unique technology, unique product, unique service. What is something that unique that you have? Miracle Ayurvedic healing technology. Okay. Without what old product that you replace? Without Western medicine. Okay. Now is it clear? This is your offer. Pranad Ayurved helps. Pranad Ayurved helps senior citizens to live healthy naturally using miracle Ayurvedic healing technology without Western medicine. Okay, this is the offer. Now we got the offer. I am going to copy this and I'm going to change it in the website. Okay, now to change it in the website, you have to log into the dashboard. You have to come to the theme settings. You have to open leads management page. Okay, you have to download the spec file here. You have to copy this spec file. You have to copy this spec file. Go to the spec editor. Go to spec editor. Go to spec editor. Paste this file. Okay, click this button, and you have to scroll down to this place. Okay, you have to scroll down to section underscore head, section underscore title and subtitle. Okay, now you have to scroll down to section underscore title, section underscore head, in the section underscore title here. Okay, I paste the sentence offer here. Sorry, this is the offer. I copy this. Copy this. I want you to change here. I want you to change the title. Okay, I want you to change this both, and I want you to download this. Okay, if you download this file will download here. Then go to theme settings and leads management. Upload. Click on upload. First, choose the file that you just downloaded. Choose the file that you just downloaded. Online spec editor.json. Open. Upload. Open website now. Can you see? If you see the change, type yes. Type yes if you can see the change. Yeah. Now, the exercise is not complete. You have to change the color. Okay. How to change the color? You have to go to site config and change the color. What are the colors that you can use? Go 3.3. Go to HTML colors documentation. You can see these many colors are there. Okay, I want you to choose any color. I choose crimson. I choose crimson. I come to the spec editor. I come to site config. In the site primary color, I choose crimson. I download the file. I'll come back to theme leads management. I'll choose the file. Online spec editor. Upload. I'll click on open website. Can you see the change in color? Crimson. Okay. Type yes if you could see the change in color. If you could able to do this. Yes. Yeah. If you could able to do this, today's exercise is complete. I want to see a different color. You should not use crimson blue. And I want to see your offer sentence here and here. Once you put your offer sentence here and here, the exercise is complete. Today's exercise is complete. Okay. Okay. This is very important. You just post this with your offer and a different color. Not use cornflower blue. And Pranad Ayarwa, please don't use the same sentence that I have written. You have to write one for your industry. Okay. Now, one more important task that we have to set up the lead management system. Okay. Lead management system is exercise 3.5. Once the people give their contact number, you need to collect it, right? For that, there is some work. Okay. Go to log into your WordPress. Go to home. Go to plugins. Installed plugins. You will find 10 different plugins here. Okay. I want you to delete all. Okay, I want you to delete all. Okay, we don't need any plugins. Even a single plugin will slow down your website. Okay, click on add new. Click on add new. Click on add new. Type WooCommerce. Click on install now. Installed, click on activate. Now go to WooCommerce. Now you will find something called products. Click on products. You have to, you will not find anything here. Okay. You need to create add new product name. LMF batch 4 is the product name. Type your price, regular price, and type your sale price. What is your sale price? If you are offering it for free, you have to type 0. Okay. But sale price, click on publish. Once you click on publish, if you come to all products, you will find an ID here. This ID. You need this ID. Copy this. Come to the spec editor. Okay, I closed it. You need to come to the spec editor. Always copy the spec file from here. Okay, this has your recent version of the file. Okay, you have to copy this to put it here. Inside config, you will find something called product ID selling. Okay, change that to 89. Download. Once you download this, come back to leads management, upload that file. Once you uploaded it, if you come here, put your contact number, click on make payment now. You will see thank you, you will receive your number. Okay. Once you did that product ID update, you will find this is working. And if you want to see that lead, go here. If you just refresh, you can see that product ID came. Okay. You can see that order ID 90. I submitted from Bangalore, the country India. The mobile number is this I submitted. I'll submit one more for you. 99943337705. This is a working number. Okay, I didn't refresh. After I submitted, I didn't refresh. Now I received it. If we come to leads management, refresh. Now you will find that number. If you want to send a WhatsApp, it will automatically open WhatsApp, and we can send a WhatsApp message instantly to them. Okay, that's how the lead management system works. Okay, you can see the WhatsApp is opening. Yeah, it will take some time, but again it will work. Okay, this one I'll teach tomorrow. That's all for today. I will just stop the screen sharing. Yes. Have any questions? Today's exercise is 3.1. 3.1 is how to make changes to the spec file and upload it. You just make some changes in the spec file, write your offer sentence, and change it in 2 places, site title and subtitle and section head, and upload it, and change the site color. So change the website color, and you have to set up your lead management system. That's all for the exercise. If you have any questions, I'll take questions for 10 minutes. If there is no question, I'll end up the session. We'll meet tomorrow at 6:50 AM. Tomorrow session is very, very important. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow it is going to take more than 60 minutes. Tomorrow what we are going to do is, I'll take this. Tomorrow what we are going to do is, we are going to set up your Android and iOS app files. Tomorrow if you have your logo, you come with your logo. Okay, we are going to use your logo to set up your Android and iOS app. And today, if you complete your lead management system, you will set up that lead management system in your phone. Okay, Tomorrow you will have this too. Tomorrow you will have your app and the lead management system set up on your phone. Okay, that is very important because how quickly you respond to your lead, your customer will make sure that whether that lead will convert to a customer or not. Okay, so we are going to set up that in the mobile phone. So tomorrow that is the exercise. My website Pranav Ayurved is not opening. That is because you didn't follow exercise 1.1. There is 3 A records, correct? I said only 2. You should need there should be only 2 A records. The 3rd A record you delete it and it will start working instantly. Okay, whatever I say, follow exactly because I did that to you live. That is the reason you are pranavayurved.com, right? .com or .in? It's working. Why it's not working? I said if it's not working, try from a different network connection. Try from a different network. Try from your phone. Try from your wife's phone. Try from Jio. Try from Airtel. Because it is you will be see there is something called cache. Okay, Google Chrome will cache something. Okay, there is a DNS cache. Your network will cache something. Whatever the Wi-Fi you are using, that will cache. Okay, that's how. That's why we are seeing very fast internet connection nowadays. Okay, we have to use entirely different network connection to see the change. At least when creating a new website. Okay, it is working fine. Pranav Ayurved is working fine. WP login.php. I could able to see. I can log in. Okay. Any other questions? You have any other questions? Can we meet tomorrow at 6:50? Okay, there's no questions. I'll end up the sessions today. We'll meet tomorrow at 6:50. The recording will be available in the premium session. Premium in another half an hour. Scroll down to day 3, you'll find today's recording. Okay, thank you so much.